Welcome to clickmyprojects.com. Here we discuss about segmentation of Assamese phonemes using SOM. A self-organization map is a type of artificial neural network that is training using unsupervised learning to produce a low-dimensional discretized representation of the input space of training samples called a map. Self-organizing maps are different from other artificial neural networks in the sense that they use a neighborhood function to preserve the topological properties of the input space. This makes SOMs useful for visualizing lower dimensional views of higher dimensional data akin to multidimensional scaling. A self-organizing maps contains components called nodes or neurons. Associated with each node is a weight vector of the same dimension as the input data vectors or a position in the map space. The visual arrangement of nodes is a two-dimensional regular spacing in a hexagonal or rectangular. The self-organizing maps describes a mapping from a higher dimensional input space to the lower dimensional map space. The procedure for placing a vector from data space onto the map is to find the node with the closest weight vector to the data space vector. In computer vision, image segmentation is the process of partitioning a digital image into multi-segments. The goal of image segmentation is to simplify and/or change the representation of an image into something that is much meaningful and easier to analyze. Image segmentation is typically used to locate objects and boundaries in image. More precisely, image segmentation is the process of assigning a label to every pixels in an image such that with the same label share certain visual characteristics. The result of image segmentation is a set of segments that collectively covers the entire image or a set of contours extracted from the image. Each of the pixels in a region are similar to some characteristic or computed property such as color, intensity or texture. Adjacent regions are significantly different with respect to the same characteristic. When applied to a stack of images, typically in medical images, the resulting contours after image segmentation can be used to create 3D reconstruction with the help of interpolation algorithm like marching cubes. In the clustering method of image segmentation, the clusters are formed by the neurons and the distance is the squared or absolute difference between a pixel and a cluster center. The difference is typically based on pixel color, intensity, texture and location or a weighted combination of these factors. Here the node can be selected manually, randomly or by a heuristic. This algorithm is guaranteed to coverage, but it may not be written the optimal solution. Many image segmentation algorithms are proposed. In our paper, we propose the SOM based image segmentation with the help of DWT. Here, the clusters are formed by using the DWT algorithm, and finally by using SOM segmentation segments the given image by providing label information for each and every clusters. Here we using the hybrid model of DWT and SOM for segmenting MRI brain images. This is the flow diagram of our project. In the first step, we initialize the given MRI image. In the initializing stage, we extract the single sample from given MRI images. Since the given image contains 3 samples, that is in RGB color spaces, and we provide noise removal technique because since the given MRI images contains more number of speckled noises, to eliminate these noises, we provide speckled noise filtering. After that, we resizing the given images to required sizes. Since the given MRI images contain irregular intensities, to rescale and Enhancing the contrast level of the given image. We provide image enhancement in this stage. After that, the enhanced image is given to DWT stage. In the DWT, it extracts the features of each and every samples of the given image. Then from this feature values from DWT, we extract the cluster information by using SOM segmentation algorithm, and finally we segment the given brain images by using SOM and provide each and every clusters to give a label information for the pixels. This gives the segmentation result. Then we separate each and every labels from the labeled images, and finally we provide color representation for separated labeled pixels. Thus we segment the given brain image by using SOM algorithm. Now I am going to explain the running process of our project. Now run SOM file. Here I prepare a guide preparation for our project. In the first step, we initialize the input image by clicking Insert button. You can select any images from the database. The image in this axis displays the inserted image. In the next step, we extract the single sample from the given images and we enhance the image by clicking Sample Conversion button. Then we extract clusters and indexes by using DWT and SOM algorithm by clicking Clusters button. Here it gets the cluster information for each and every clustering of pixels. It displays an 8x8. This forms the clusters of each and every pixels. This cluster formation is related to the feature values from the output of DWT algorithm. Then by using these features, we segment the given images by using SOM segmentation by clicking Segment button. It gets the input index pixels from the cluster information and collects these indexes, and finally it gives the result of segmented output. The figure here displays the segmented tumor spot from the given brain image. In this, it displays the color representation for each and every cluster formation. The index here displays the cluster indexes. Here it detects 3 number of clusters. Finally, the clusters are given as indexed images. This indexed image gives the segmented output. Thus, we segment the brain MRI images by using the combination of both SOM and DWT algorithm. Thank you.